India's benchmark indices opened sharply lower on Thursday, with the Sensex tumbling over 1,250 points and the Nifty 50 slipping below 25,500. This steep decline mirrored losses across Asian markets as investors scaled back risk due to escalating Middle East conflict. At 9:16 a.m., the BSE Sensex was down by 1,264 points, trading at 83,002, while the Nifty 50 dropped 344 points to 25,452. The total market capitalization of listed companies on the BSE fell by Rs 5.63 lakh crore, settling at Rs 469.23 lakh crore. So what are the key factors behind this market meltdown? First is the escalating Iran-Israel conflict. Indian markets dropped as tensions between Iran and Israel flared. Israel's military confirmed the deaths of 8 soldiers during ground operation in Lebanon, following Iran's missile strikes on Tel Aviv. This heightened fears of further escalation, which could destabilize oil supplies in the region. Second, oil prices surge. Brent crude surpassed $75 per barrel and West Texas Intermediate hit $72, marking a nearly 5% rise in just 3 days. This is bad news for India, a major oil importer. Higher crude prices increase the country's import bill, putting pressure on the economy. Experts warn that if Israel forces target Iranian oil facilities, the spike could be even more damaging for India. Number 3. Sebi tightens F&O measures. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has introduced new restrictions in the futures and options segment. These changes, including limit on weekly expiries and large contract sizes, have dampened retail trading sentiments, contributing to today's market downturn. Fourth, Chinese stock resurgence. China's stock market has rebounded following new stimulus measures from the government. The SSE Composite Index surged 8% on Tuesday and 15% over the week. This has prompted foreign investors to pull out over Rs 15,370 crores from Indian equities in the past 2 sessions, further pressuring Indian markets. Among the Sensex constituents, Reliance Industry, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, M&M, L&T and Bharti Airtel led the decline. Meanwhile, JSW Steel and Tata Steel were the only gainers in the early trade. The Nifty Oil and Gas Index fell over 1.2%, with Hindustan Petroleum, IOC and JSPL being the worst performers. India's Volatility Index also increased by 8.9% to 13.06, reflecting the heightened investor fear amid growing geopolitical and market risk.